to delete Infinite Craft account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your Infinite Craft account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Infinite Craft, and over here just simply look for the Infinite Craft game section, and after that just simply click on it. And as you can see that as soon as I open the Infinite Game official website, it is kind of an open platform that doesn't require me to log in with my email account or doesn't require any information from my side in order to create my account to use this particular Infinite Craft game section right here. So since it doesn't require me to open my account, Infinite Craft game account, so that means it doesn't really require me to delete it as well. So as I told you, it's like an open platform that does not require any sort of creating account system. So that means you don't really have to delete it as well. So you can only delete the Minecraft or the Infinite Craft that you have created in your Infinite Craft game. So you can make delete in Infinite Craft by mixing eraser and internet, and both ingredients are pretty easy to make but requiring some mixing, so you are likely to need create them first unless you are ready for them to unblock. So you cannot really delete your Infinite Craft account really, because you have not even created the account in the first place. So I hope I'm able to answer your query regarding deleting your Infinite Craft game account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.